Guten Heute Leuten, welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny, and this is my haul video of the movies that I purchased in the month of July. And yeah, this is a TV show, but it's the 4K edition of Stranger Things, the Arrow video release. This is a nice big box set with all the seasons in it, and a booklet and posters and some other stuff. Yes, I'll put that away over here. And then I got these I purchased some DVDs, some Danish movies under overfladen, and this one is starring Lars Mikkelsen. Maybe you know him from Ahsoka, the Star Wars TV show, where he played the blue villain in it. And Claes Bang, he was in the Netflix Dracula TV series. And I also got this one here, Skagerrak, starring Danish actor Iben Hjejle. And Portland, also with Iben Hjejle. And then an old Danish comedy, Hjælp min datter vil giftes, Help my daughter wants to get married. And funny old Danish comedy. And then this Rapportpigen, it's an old movie about a girl getting photos for a nude magazine, and then she gets a stalker, and yeah, it was an okay movie. And then there's this one, Dangerous Summer, Farlig Sommer, about a guy who's really drunk at a party, and then he goes home, or maybe he drives home, because his car is involved in a hit and run accident where a person gets killed, and the young guy who drive home from the party doesn't know if it was him, because he got a blackout and can't remember anything. The story could have been shortened down to half an hour. I think this is 1.5 hours, something like that. They insert pornographic things and weird stuff in it, so not a good movie, but an interesting story if it was shortened down to half an hour or maybe 15 minutes. Then I got the steelbook for the Rocky Horror Show. I haven't taken that one out of plastic yet, but I'm excited to see it in 4K. And then there was a re-release of the Scandinavian edition of the Superman steelbook, and I took this version. There was also the Clark Kent edition. And another movie, I thought this cover was so crazy. The pregnant girl shooting a machine gun. One battle after another. So I haven't seen this one yet, but I'm looking forward to watch this one. And then, here, another TV show, Supergirl. I went to the cinema and watched the new Supergirl. So I thought I did like the new Supergirl movie. And here we got this, the TV show, Supergirl. This is the first season in a UK edition. And then from German Amazon, I got the last 3 seasons of Supergirl. I know Kevin Smith directed some of the episodes, so I'm definitely looking forward to watch those episodes. And then this is a new release, Falling Down. I think I did an unboxing of that. It's a very good movie, nice rewatch. And then I purchased something from the Arrow video sale, Poseidon. I have watched this one. Nice picture quality. I wasn't bothered about the old CGI in it, and it was an okay movie. Then I got this zombie flesh eater. I didn't get to catch the limited edition, so then I waited for the sale to get this one. Speak No Evil. I'm also looking forward to this. Christian Tafdrup have made this. He made a good Danish movie. En frygtelig kvinde, an awful lady, or something like that. And that movie was really fun. So now I'm looking forward to watch this one. I heard this one is not fun, but mind blowing. Then I got the DVD for what's called The Terminal Man. I have no clue what this is about. And then an old comedy, I think it's, I do like, The City Slickers. This is the DVD edition. I only think there is a DVD edition of it, starring Bill Crystal. I do like this one, but the second one is also good fun. That one is starring I can't remember his name now. Just had it, Jon Lovitz, but he's not in this one. Oh. And then Phantasm, the Blu-ray box set. How many movies are there? 5? So yeah. So that was from the Arrow sale. Then I purchased some used, or not used, second-hand, I think it's called that, Blu-rays. It's a Danish movie here, Hold Mig. I don't know nothing about that one. And then there's Undtagelse, also a Danish movie. I don't know nothing about that one either. And there's Udtaler Ud, and I don't know anything about that one either. Then there's a Disney movie here, and I got this one recommended. Oh, now we have the DVDs. I can see that on the cases. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. My cousin said that this was a really funny movie, so I purchased that one. Then purchased this one, Kollegiet, Danish horror movie. And then Regel nummer 1, Rule number 1, also a Danish movie. What's this called? The Human Stain, starring Nicole Kidman. And there's this one, Jonas Bang Bryllup. Don't hate me about purchasing this one. 30 Days of Night, Dark Days. I've never seen any of these movies. And there's a Danish movie called Supervoksen. And oh, this one is starring, it's not written here anywhere, but Nikolaj Coster-Waldau Nikolaj Coster-Waldau is starring in the Still 112 in a short role. And then I purchased a box by a Danish director called Niels Malmros, his movie collection. And then I got this one on sale. How do you say that? Begonia, probably. Yes. And then I went, there was an online sale and a store sale of a lot of movies, and I'm gonna do a cut here, and then I'm gonna bring all of the Blu-rays here to the table and we can have a look at them. There are many. As you can see, there's many Blu-rays here. There's this pile here, there are Disney Blu-rays. We'll save those for last, and then we'll start with this pile here. Magpie, starring Daisy, what's her name? The girl from Star Wars. Daisy Ridley, it's written right here. Yeah. Together, Alison Brie movie. Subservience, starring Megan Fox. Train Wrench, Amy Schumer movie, and I don't think you can see it now. Once you were able to see Amy Schumer book over here, but it's in the bottom of the shelf now. Yeah, and then Løb here. That's a Danish movie. Loveless. Shrek, I think this is movie number 4. Longshot, Seth Rogen and Charlie Theron. Hustler, that's a Jennifer Lopez movie. And then we got Cameron Diaz, The Box, 22 Jump Street, and what's this? She's Funny That Way. I don't know about this movie. I got it anyway. There's a Bill Murray movie here, Rock the Casbah. It's also starring Bruce Willis and Kate Hudson. Then some Danish kids movie. Only bought this one because it was in the 3D Blu-ray. Passion Play. It's with Bill Murray, Megan Fox, and Mickey Rourke. I've never heard about this one either. Then there's a Nazi movie here. Only purchased this one because it was like a little bit more than €1 and starring Steve Buscemi. I do like Steve Buscemi. I was a bit in doubt if I wanted to buy this one. Now I did. Boss Baby. I tried to watch it a couple of times, but it never catch me. But maybe it will this time. The Girl in the Spiderweb. And these are 4Ks, as you can see. And then I purchased this one because of Alison Brie. How to Be Single. And then there was Emmanuel. I don't know if it's a remake of the original one. I wanted this on 4K, but it was so cheap on Blu-ray that I took that one instead. Weapons. I think this is an amazing movie. Dirty Angels, starring Eva Green. I do like Eva Green. Fuld af kærlighed. Danish movie. Another Danish movie. Vogter. And it's with the Sisse Babette Knudsen. I don't know what the show is called in English. It's Danish. It's Born. Yes. And The Substance. Also thought I should have purchased this one. I wanted to purchase in 4K, but this edition was also cheap, so I got that one instead. Dan Doffer, also a Danish movie. Klassevesten 4, also a Danish movie. De Forbandede År, also a Danish movie, but it's starring Mr. White from James Bond. So that was that pile, and then we have the Disney one here, Disney Pixar Elements, and Soul. And it has these numbers on the side here. And then there was Lilo and Stitch, the live action movie. Aya and the Last Dragon. I don't know why it doesn't got a Disney Classic number on the side, but it doesn't. Mary Poppins. Live action. That's not a cartoon, Mary Poppins, but the sequel, Returns, Mary Poppins Returns. This is live action, Aladdin. And this is also Dumbo. And The Lion King, kind of live action and CGI. And Frozen 2, and it doesn't have the classic number either. But all of these have the classic number. And I don't know why these numbers matches all right until somewhere here down around the end of the 50s. And they started making them jump up and down. But yeah, let's have a look what I've got. Snow White, Dumbo, Baby, Cinderella, Peter Pan, Sleeping Beauty, 101 Dalmatians. How did you say that? The Rescuer, in Danish is Bernard and Bianca, but The Rescuers. Oliver and Company, The Little Mermaid, The Rescuers Down Under, Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, The Lion King, The Hunchback was called Of Notre Dame, Mulan, Tarzan, Atlantis, The Lost Empire, Lilo and Stitch, what's this called? Treasure Planet, Little Chicken, Little Kylling, Little Chicken, no, Chicken Little, sorry, Chicken Little. This, The Wild, some of them got Danish titles and some doesn't. What's this called in English? Meet the Robinson. In Danish, if you translate what's written here, it's like My Crazy Family Robinson. Tangled, Wish, and the last one, Zootropolis, second movie. So that was a lot of movies. Well, thank you for watching, and please give this video a like as always, and consider subscribing to my channel if you got this far into the video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Auf Wiedersehen.